Have a big idea, but not sure if it has real market value? Before you invest time and energy into building a solution, INNOVAR will help you explore whether your idea has a potential to generate revenue, solve a real problem, and stand out in the marketplace. INNOVAR provides a framework for gathering unbiased feedback from the marketplace to validate your concept. It helps you determine whether your idea truly aligns with what people want and what they're willing to pay for. You'll learn how to test your assumptions, validate your concept, and uncover insights that can help you build smarter, not just bigger. Through guided mentorship and weekly sessions, you'll map out your commercialization potential, find your early adopters, and walk away with a clearer vision of how your idea could thrive in the real world. INNOVAR encourages you to explore the innovation behind your technology while building the entrepreneurial skills needed to understand what the market is telling you. This program isn't just about teaching you how to become an entrepreneur. It's about reducing risk and helping you uncover whether your idea is something customers actually want. If you're ready to validate your idea and discover its true market potential, sign up for INNOVAR today.